Thanks to HTML, we can create a great visual hierarchy using some markup known as heading tags. I have a file called hierarchy.html, and in here I'm going to add some HTML text to create a visual hierarchy. So first I'm going to type h1, that's the markup for a heading 1 tag, and I'm going to write the name of the book. So this will create the biggest text on the page. Then I might want to mention the chapter. So I'm going to use the heading 2 or H2 tag for that. To go one step further, we are creating video 1.1. So we can add that here, video 1.1, creating visual hierarchy. And then we'll add some paragraph text. After our 3 heading tags, we can even add a heading 4 tag. The heading tags go from 1 through 6, each one subsequently getting smaller, denoting their importance on the page. So here we'll say H4, and then we'll add another paragraph. And then finally, we'll add an H5 tag. So now we'll save this and we'll go to our browser. And in our browser, you can see that we have a nicely structured page with a very clear visual hierarchy. The book title is at the top in the biggest text, followed by the chapter title, then the video title, and then we have some text and some smaller headings in between that text.